Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and today we wanted to do a video to show you how to create your own beautiful tropical combination patio pot. So we wanted to focus on this guy right here, which is the dwarf Egyptian papyrus, and they have been so hot for 2022. So we wanted to show you a really beautiful combination that includes these guys. So this one right here has these striking kind of umbrella little tufted tops. Nice, beautiful, shimmering green color, and does really great as a thriller in your pot. Something that's going to create some height and a wow factor. When creating your patio pots, there's kind of 3 simple steps that you want to stick to. And those 3 are going to be your thriller, which is what you're going to have as your centerpiece, your showcase in the center or sometimes the back of your pot. Then you're also going to have some types of filler. So filler is something that's more compact, mounding, going to fill in around the base. And then you're also going to focus on something called a spiller. So a spiller is something that's going to cascade down out of your pot. So that's just a kind of easy 3-step guideline: thriller, filler, and spiller when you're ready to pick out the plants for your pot. Of course, you want to look into the exposure. How much sun are you getting? How much shade to pick the best plants for that location? This is going to be a full sun to partial shade planter, and we're going to show you how to plant this up and some of the different plants that we're going to use in it also. So for our filler, I've got this beautiful Sensation Lemon Nemesia, and it's really got this bright yellow, and it's going to contrast so beautifully against the green. It also has a little bit of almost a burgundy darker tone into the leaf, and I love that because it's going to pair really pretty with our Ace of Spades potato vine with that little bit of that purple tones there. And then something for a real punch of color as our filler in the pot is this one right here, and it is the Petunia, and it is called Picasso in Purple, and it's kind of a mounding and trailing filler, and really pretty chartreuse edges here on the plant. And again, that just pops so pretty with this papyrus. So we're going to show you the combination for the patio pot here. So every great patio pot starts from the bottom up. So make sure that you have a really great patio soil. This one here is our Miracle-Gro potting mix. Make sure when choosing your soil that you choose one that is great for indoor plants or for annuals, because you can get other Miracle-Gros that are good for garden plants, and this specifically you want for your patio pots and containers. So we're going to start with our dwarf Egyptian papyrus, and I'm going to pop that guy out. And in this particular planter, I'm actually going to plant him in the back of the pot, and that's going to allow me a little bit more space for some of my fillers and spillers in the front. So when I create my patio pots, I always like to just begin with the plant itself laid out, and that just gives me an idea of, how many plants I need, what it's going to look like. Do I have too many? Do I have not enough? What does the coloring look like? And so I like to start that way. So once I've kind of got my plants here where I would like them, I'm just going to double check and kind of make sure that, they're mirrored nicely on either side. I like to create that type of image. Any of my spillers that are coming out the front, I like to plant even just a little bit on an angle to kind of get them cascading there forward. So once I've got everything where I like it, then I'm just going to add in some extra potting soil, tuck it in really well around the plants, and finish the pot up. So for best success with your annual patio pots, as soon as you're done planting, we recommend to water them in well, get the soil situated down around the roots, and encourage the roots to get out and growing. As well, we suggest to fertilize about every 2 weeks with a water-soluble fertilizer. You can use a Miracle-Gro, something with a high middle number that's going to specifically promote the blooms, and that's going to give you awesome color all summer long, all the way till the frost in the fall. So there you have it, just one of thousands of different combinations of plants that you can create into patio pots. And here at Sipkens, we have annuals by the thousands, and our staff are absolutely delighted to help you pick out beautiful combinations that will suit your home and your gardens. And if you don't want the work yourself, we do custom orders here at Sipkens as well. So come on in and visit us and get growing this spring and summer at Sipkens.